So first write the given data. Here a concentration of pollutant Q equal to 40 gram per second. Then H, effective height of stack, is equal to H, which includes the height of stack plus height of plume rise. Then wind speed U equal to 5 meter per second. Sigma Y equal to 35 meter, that is standard deviation in crosswind direction, and sigma Z is the standard deviation in vertical direction. Both values are given, so write sigma Y equal to 35 meter, sigma Z equal to 22 meter. Then the equation to find the concentration is Cxyzh equal to Q divided by 2 pi U sigma Y sigma Z e raised to minus 1 by 2 y by sigma y the whole square into e raised to minus 1 by 2 into z minus h the whole square divided by sigma z the whole square plus e raised to 1 by 2 into z plus h the whole square divided by sigma z the whole square. So in this question, first we have to find the concentration at the ground level. So concentration at ground level means Z value will be equal to 0. So when you substitute the value of Z equal to 0, you will get the equation as Cxy0 H equal to Q by pi U sigma Y sigma Z e raised to minus 1 by 2 into y by sigma y the whole square into e raised to 1 by 2 into h by sigma Z square. So in the question we have to find the center line concentration. So when it is a center line concentration, here y also become 0. And in the question it is given that x equal to 1.5 kilometer, that is equal to 1500 meter. So substituting the value of Q, U, sigma Y, sigma Z and y in the above equation, you will get the value of C. This is the first problem. And in the second part we have to find the concentration at 75 meter side and 10 kilometer below center line. So there are some coordinates. Here we are having the value of y and z. In the question itself, it is given x equal to 1.5 kilometer. So y equal to 75 meter. That means if it is a side value, then y equal to 75 meter. And it is below the center line, we have to provide y equal to 10 kilometer. Then h equal to 75 meter. Then we have to substitute these values in the first equation C, x, y, z, h, because we are having all these values x, y, z and h value. Then you will get the answer. So here I include one more condition. At a crosswind direction of 400 meter on either side of center line. In the question, x equal to 1.5 kilometer and crosswind direction means y equal to 400 meter and it is in the center line, so z equal to 0. Then here we are having the value of x, y, h and z equal to 0. Substitute these values in the second equation, then you will get the concentration.